Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's Olivia and today I'm going to be doing a clean with me, organize, and kind of just get the house put together. So if you can't tell by my voice, I'm a little under the weather at the moment, so I've just been having a weekend at home and I was just kind of over it. I just really wanted to clean up the space and stop feeling sick. So as you're seeing, here's the before, and when you're sick, the worst thing is to have a place that just feels chaotic and stuffy and everything. So I really just wanted to clean up the space, make the space look great, and hopefully in return make myself feel better. So I hope you guys enjoy and gain some cleaning motivation even if you're not feeling the best like I am. Our cat Harley always loves to jump in the bed while I'm making it. Let me know if anybody else's cat does this too, but I think she thinks that we're playing hide and seek, but I swear every time if the door is left open when I'm making the bed, she's always involved in the bed making process. And when you're sick, the best thing to do is just wash the sheets, put on some fresh sheets, and get the germs out of the house. But I'm alone this weekend and I'm still sick, so I decided to sleep on the bed sheets another night and I'll wash them tomorrow before Nathan gets back home. So I don't have to rewash the new sheets again because I'm still sick. I also decided to open up the window to just help get some fresh air in the space and not make the space feel so stuffy. Even though this isn't a deep clean, I'm just kind of cleaning up the space to clear my mind and make myself feel better and get the germs out of the house. One thing I always like to do when one of us is sick is take some disinfectant wipes. I'm just using some Kirkland ones from Costco and just going over those commonly used areas, so like light switches, doorknobs, nightstand, tables, the bedroom all together, the bathroom, those kind of places, to just get the germs out. And like I said, I'm not feeling the best right now, so I'm not going to do a whole deep clean, but this just kind of cleaning up the space a little bit, and then when I'm feeling better I can really disinfect everything. But for right now, this is great to just kind of freshen up the space. One thing that I always try to make sure I do when I'm not feeling the greatest is drink lots and lots of fluids. So as you can see, I just poured myself a huge glass of this energy boost juice. So Boost juice is like a juicery in Australia, but you can also buy the juices in the grocery store, and they're full of really great vitamin C and all that stuff, but probably tons of sugar. But it's just really important to just get the fluids since my throat's not feeling the best, and just kind of getting all the sickness out of my system. So I also have my Lemsip, which if you're from the US you might have not heard of it, because I didn't hear about it until I moved to Australia, but it's a cold and flu lemon hot drink, and there's medicine in it, and I love the taste and it makes you feel so much better. So I'm just making that and having that while I clean the rest of the house. So I swear I'm not always this productive when I'm not feeling well. I was bedridden for the past couple days, but since I had this motivation and determination to clean the house going, I decided to also put together this bench that we picked up at Aldi. It was on sale for like 20 something dollars, awesome price, and I liked it when I originally saw it out on the weekly specials, but I didn't want to pay full price. So when I saw it was on sale, I knew I had to pick it up. It was super easy to put together, and it's not exactly what I want. I would like it to be a little bit higher. As you'll see later, I'll show you against the edge of the bed, but I think it should have been a little bit higher to be at the end of the bed. But I'll just play around to see where I want it in the house. But for that price, I really couldn't go wrong, and I think it looks great. So that is the finished product. Like I said, I'll just move it around the house and see what I like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me when I'm not feeling the greatest, but just kind of refreshing the space and getting myself feeling my best. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please consider hitting the like button and subscribing if you did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!